How to fade in and fade out audio in Inshot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Inshot on your device. Open the project of your Inshot. Now, at the bottom, click on Audio. After you've clicked on the audio, simply select the audio you want to fade in and fade out. After you've clicked on the audio, you'll find Edit option at the top. Click on it. Now, you will find these options, which is fade in and fade out. If you want fade in to increase, you can swipe the circle to the right side. Likewise, you can do the same thing with fade out. If you want fade out, drag it to the right side. After you're done, press on the tick mark at the top. Then you're good to go. This is how to fade in and fade out audio in Inshot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.